do take very, very good care of this.
Okay. You can count on me, ma'am.
Awesome. All right, well, I need to go check on the preserve, but since you're new around here, don't touch anything.
Well, you got it, Dr. Zorro. Wow, this is great, everyone. My first day, and I'm already in charge of something. This is awesome. Wow, this center is huge. Kind of looks like my old high school. But anyway, I guess you guys are just as excited as I am about today, right? So, all right, it says that we already had orientation a while ago. It says our next thing, we're going to be very large animals.
Neutron, what is that noise?
I have no idea. I just oh!
Ah!
Oh, Doc, I'm sorry. I was just standing here, minding my own business.
Well, make this your business and shut that off.
Yes, ma'am.
Hurry. Try lower.
Oh.
Hey, you fixed it. That was a close one.
Super excited. When I get super excited, I start to talk really fast. When I talk really fast, I start to ramble. Yes, I know I'm rambling. But listen, it's always been my dream to help do my part to help the environment. I want to make sure all animals are safe. Oh, look at that! Animals like that otter right there. That's cute. He's got my plan. Oh no, don't take that. It's all we have. Come back with that. I need that plan back. I need it.
Neutron, what are you doing?
Oh, nothing. I was just making sure that the plan you gave me was safe and secure.
Oh, well, speaking of the plan, why don't you take it out and tell all of these nice people what is next on the tour?
What's next on the tour?
Oh,
otters. Otters are next on the tour.
I didn't think we were going to talk about otters till later. Now? All right, well, if that's what the plan says, that's what we'll do, right? Why don't we see if Opie and one of his pals want to come out and say hello? Everybody say hi, Becca! And Becca is joined by Opie Otter. Now, Opie is an Asian small-clawed otter. He's a very experienced mammal. He has partially webbed paws, you can see up on the screen above, that he uses for grasping and carrying objects.
Yeah, I'll just explain it today.
What was that?
Oh, no.
Anyway, as I said, Opie's an Asian small-clawed otter. He's one of 13 species of otter. And believe it or not, at 7 pounds, he is fully grown. Isn't he just the cutest? You can see he's using those partially wet paws to get that food in his mouth. Guys, how about a round of applause for Becca and Opie? I have the perfect job for you. You're going to be great at it. It doesn't require any humor. Can you go back that way and see if you can't find Clyde to help us out with the next portion of the tour?
Oh, you got it, Dr. Zanzibar.
It's Dr. Zalophus.
Right, I said that.
Anyway, here at the center, we've been studying the food sources and eating patterns of the animals in their care, and this actually helps us to sustain our wild populations. Now, for the next portion of the tour, I do need a young volunteer to come down here and help me out. You! Come here, Captain America. What's your name? Jason, where you from? This is Jason, and he's all the way from Maryland. Very excited about that. All right, Jason, come this way. This is my buddy, Clyde. Alright, so Clyde gets all of the nutrition that he needs from the fish that he eats right here, okay? So what I want you to do is take these fish and throw them right to Clyde. You gotta throw it. It's just like French fries for him. Alright, one last one, alright, buddy? Excellent! Now, I know, pretty gross, right? Just wipe that all over that Captain America shirt. Alright, you know, as a thank you, Clyde would love to get a photo with you. I'm assuming these are your parents since they all have their cameras out? Yep, alright. That'd be weird if they weren't. Alright, buddy, go ahead and put your hand right here on his flipper. And on the count of 3, everybody say cheese! 1, on the count of 3, huh? 1, 2, 3! Excellent, thank you, Jason, you were great! Alright, Clyde, come this way.
Oh, Dr. Xerox! I've been looking everywhere for Clyde, man. I can't seem to find him anywhere. Oh, I found Clyde for you.
Alright, once again, Neutron, it's Dr. Zalophus.
Yes, I said that.
You know, you've been here long enough. I think it's time to test your Pinniped knowledge. How tall would you say sea lions are?
How tall? Well, let's see. It comes up here on me. So maybe, I don't know, like maybe like 3 or 4 feet tall, right?
I think you might want to check again.
Oh wow, it's way taller than that.
Would you believe that sea lions can grow up to be 9 feet in length? Now his body is packed with muscles that helps him hunt for prey and evade predators. But my favorite part is he has 3 tiny little toenails on his rear flippers. He uses those to scratch those hard to reach places.
Oh yeah, look at those. I do see those. Wow, those are cool.
Well, he is showing you that he's a very social animal. In fact, all the animals in our care have their own personalities, likes, and dislikes.
Well, it seems like he really likes hanging out with you and I.
You know, I think you're right. Now, he has always been very motivated by interacting with us, and he even takes part in his own healthcare. You know what? Clyde and I want to go find Seymour. Why don't you pull out the plan and tell everybody what's next?
Tell everybody what's next. Okay, you got it, Doc. No problem. What's next with the plan? I can't tell you guys that. I don't have that plan. That little otter took it from me over there. This is not good. Listen, we're all part of the same tour group. If you see that otter anywhere, you gotta yell and scream really loud and point, then I'll go get the plan back from him. So as long as yes, that's what you're gonna do when you see it. Okay, well, you did go in that hole. Oh, there's an opening here. Let's see if he's back here somewhere still. Hang on, guys.
All right, guys, we are now up to my favorite part of the tour, and I know you guys are going to love it just as much. Are you ready to see the strength, agility, and athleticism of a California sea lion? Excellent. Well, here comes Seymour right now. Now, this is the part of the tour I do need you all to use your imagination. Pretend that this side of the center is the rocky coast of California. Now, sea lions use their powerful pectoral muscles to climb up the back of those rocks. Once they get to the top, they look in the water for food, but they're also looking for predators like a shark or a killer whale. And in just a moment, Seymour's going to come out here and just show you how powerful his muscles are. All right, Seymour, can you show everybody what you got? Excellent job, buddy. It's so good. Stay right there. Now, if they get in the water and they didn't see that shark or killer whale, they need to move really, really fast. So they'll also use those powerful pectoral muscles and move them up and down like a bird and fly through the air. Except they're going to fly through the water. Seymour, show everybody how fast you swim. Okay, Seymour, that was so great, buddy. All right, you should go ahead and take these little snacks. Go back that way. Hey, Neutron, I have another question to ask you.
Okay.
How fast would you say sea lions swim?
Well, I'm not sure. Oh, but maybe Clyde here can show me?
Yeah.
Clyde, Doc wants to know how fast you guys swim. So here's what we're gonna do. You have big, strong pectoral muscles, right? Show me how fast you swim, pal. I'm guessing that's not what you had in mind.
Yeah, I don't know what that was. But you know what? We're about halfway through the tour. I think it's time for you to take a well-deserved refreshment break.
Oh, well thanks, Doc. That's awfully nice of you. Clyde, listen, Doc doesn't realize that I lost that plan that she gave me. All right? Listen, we gotta find it. I'm gonna take her up on that offer for that drink. Do me a favor. You know this facility better than I do. How about you head to the back, see if you can find that otter. I'll join you in just a second, pal.
Neutron, break's over!
He went over here into the water, picked up a piece of trash, and he threw it in that recycle bin. It's amazing.
Neutron, how did the trash get in the water in the first place?
Oh, I sort of accidentally dropped it.
Neutron, you can't be dropping trash in the water. That is going to wreak havoc on the entire marine ecosystem. Look, I'm sure these folks know if we all do our part, like recycle, start a compost bin, properly dispose of trash, stuff like that.
So little things make a big difference, right?
Neutron, you are finally starting to catch on, and I think you are ready.